Hello again. Ah! Okay then, so I am so excited about this. I have to open it now. I'm not even home yet. I'm just left my private mailbox, and I can't wait to get home to open this bad boy. Besides the fact I'm running errands, it's the weekend, and once I get home, child, who knows if I'm gonna have time to make a video. So I'm doing it now. Alrighty. So all I did was open it. Oh, this is, oh, I can't believe this. I found this bag on Fashionphile. Yeah, it's the bottom because my address is on the other side of it. Oh, I've been wanting this bag for years, and I haven't been able to find it at a good price. And yeah, for a while there, it was astronomical, but the demand for it's gone down. So slowly but surely, prices have gotten better. And then now all of a sudden, the price is about the same as it was when, well, actually, no, it's less than its original retail. So, I'm so excited. And you know, it is a bag. Specifically, it's a Louis Vuitton bag. And I'm going to get all this out of here. There we go. Little Fashionphile. Oh my god! Oh my god. I just can't believe it. Oh. And, you know, it's just the usual stuff. You get the confetti, and I didn't get a file. I don't see a file in here, so you know, I have a ton of. Oh no, there it is. There we go. File, and this is the receipt in here. Like I say, it's a Louis Vuitton bag from the Marc Jacobs era of Louis Vuitton. Sorry, I'm still wearing a mask. Sound muffled. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. I can't even. Oh, let me get this out of the way. Okay. I'm sure folks in the parking lot think I'm crazy, but here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay. So yeah, from 2011, I think it's a fall-winter 2011, Marc Jacobs era, from the Louis Vuitton Fetish Collection. Oh my gosh, I hope this bag looks as good as it does online. I mean, I don't know what I'm worried about, but, you know, Fashionphile is still, oh, pretty good on that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, hold on, I gotta open this so I can. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let me, oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my god, it is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. This, you don't understand, y'all. This is such a holy grail bag for me. Look at her. Just look at her. Oh. Let me get the name right. Monogram Shine Fetish Lockit. Oh my gosh. Look at her. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's beautiful. Let me see about the inside. Okay, I said it came with the clochette, so here she is. Oh, oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness. Let's see how clean she is. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Still comes with a, I think this is called a luggage loop. But look at this. It's from yeah, 2011, 12. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it still has one of the things in here. Coated fabric and goatskin lining. Okay. It's absolutely stunning. It's stunning. Oh my gosh. Don't get me wrong, I love my Almas, but this Lockit, I held one years ago, loved it. I've seen other versions of the Lockit, but this one, oh my god, absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. She's the perfect size. And let me see. She's like caved in. Oh, nope. She pops back out. Okay. Let me just stuff her for a little bit. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use this bag. Oh my gosh. I'm stunned. I'm so happy. Okay, I'll do a try on one of these days, but look at the stitching, the contrast stitching. It's just everything. It really is. It's just everything. Oh, I love it. It comes with the lock and key. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, the keys in there. Oh, I hear them. Yep. There's the keys. That's where the lock is. Or maybe, oh, that's what it does. It just zips over. Oh, but there's no lock. Huh. Look, it comes with a lock. Oh, maybe it's in the back. Oh. There's something towards the bottom. Yay! I love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I gotta take a picture. Let's take a picture. No, I guess I can't take a picture right now. It comes with everything except the dust bag. And I have a bunch of dust bags at home, so I don't have to worry about that. Look, it comes with everything. Oh my gosh, the keys are inside. I have the lock. Oh my god, I'm so beyond. I'm just beyond. I'm so happy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I have 3 Almas at home, so now I gotta make a decision. So, I'm gonna keep all 3 and this, or I have 2 monogram Almas and 1 Damier Ebene Alma. So one of the monograms might be going. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna quit gushing. Okay, that's that. I gotta go. More people are coming. I am so in love. Oh my god. I am gonna be rocking this for days and days and days. Alright, y'all. Holy Grail bag. Okay, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.